Good morning to everybody. So we are doing exercise 7.2. So we completed till question number 3. So today we will start question number 4 today. That is exercise 7.2, question number 4. Am I right, dear? Exercise 7.2, question number 4. Okay. Now the question is, what is the question for you? Here it is given in triangle ABC. There were two triangles were given. In triangle ABC and triangle PQR. Okay. Angle A is 30 degree. So draw the triangle ABC. Another one is PQR. ABC and PQR. Angle A is given that 30 degree. Angle P is also 30 degree. So angle A equal to angle P equal to 30 degree. It is given for you. Angle A equal to angle P. And then angle B equal to 40, and then angle Q is also 40. Are you getting there? Yes. Angle B equal to 40 and angle Q is equal to 40. And then third one, angle C equal to 110 degree, angle R is also 110 degree. Right? Angle A equal to angle P, angle B equal to angle Q, angle C equal to angle R. A student says that a triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR by AAA congruence criterion. Is he justified? Why or why not? We don't have any such congruence criteria in the name of AAA. Right? We are having only 4 congruence criteria: SSS, SAS, ASA, RHS. Are you getting here? SSS, SAS, ASA, RHS. So we don't have any under correspondence criteria AAA. Are you getting here? So for triangle ABC is not congruent to triangle PQR. To triangle PQR. Am I right? Why? Suppose if you are saying AAA, already I told you, already explained, that is, if you are considering AAA means what? Suppose if you are considering 60 degree equilateral triangle, triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle and the triangle PQR is also an equilateral triangle. Suppose if it is given like that. Okay, so equilateral triangle means what? All the 3 sides are equal, as well as all the 3 angles are what? Equal. All the 3 sides are equal, as well as all the 3 sides are equal. So it is, I am taking 3 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 3 centimeter everywhere. Here I am taking 4 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 4 centimeter everywhere. Okay, these 2 triangles are equilateral triangle only, because all the sides are equal and all the angles are equal. But it will not come under SSS also, it will not come, because 3 3 3, here 4 4 4. Am I right? After that SAS, that is one angle is not included with the 2 sides. Am I right? Here 60 degrees included between the 2 sides, but here it is 60 degrees included between here for the 4 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 60 degree here. So it is not coming. SAS also, ASA, that is one side is included between the 2 angles. Here 3, here 4, here also 3, here also 4. So it is not coming. Or RHS, here nowhere right angle, so it will not come. RHS also. Are you clear, dear? Yes. So we don't have any such AAA congruence criteria. AAA congruence criteria. Okay. Now, come to the next question. That is, in the figure, 2 triangles are congruent. The corresponding parts are marked. Can we write triangle RAT is equal to? Triangle RAT is equal to. Question number 5. Diagram is given, and then corresponding parts is also given for you. Question number 5. Question number 5. RAT What is that? Rat. R-A-T. Rat. Okay, and then O-W-N, won. Okay, so it should be W, because angle R equal to angle W it is given. And after that, angle A is equal to angle O. Angle A is equal to angle O, then it should be O. Okay, then T equal to angle N, it is N. Okay, and then after that NO equal to AT, NO equal to AT. Okay, and then after that AR equal to OW, AR equal to OW. Okay, fine. Am I right here? Now already they given corresponding parts are marked. We can write triangle RAT is congruent to triangle. Which triangle? Triangle WON, under the correspondence of WON. That is, angle R is corresponds to angle W, angle A is corresponds to angle O, then RA is corresponds to WO. Are you getting there? So triangle RAT is congruent to triangle WON by which congruence rule? By, yeah, tell me. This is the side included between these two angles. This is the side included between these two angles. So you can say that, if you are saying this one, you can say that SAS. Otherwise, if you are considering SAS, you can say, otherwise ASA. Okay, by you can say anything, ASA. That is, one side is included between the two angles. Otherwise, this is an angle included between the two sides. Then also you can say that. Are you getting there? Right. Now, therefore, we can write triangle RAT is congruent to triangle WON under the correspondence of WON. Okay. Now, complete the congruent statement. The diagram it is given for you. Question number 6. Question number 6. That is, this is the given diagram. BCB, it is what? ACBA, it is C, it is T, then AT equal to AC, BT equal to BC, then ABT equal to ABC, it is given. Am I right? ABT equal to ABC, it is given. Okay. So triangle BCA is congruent to triangle what? Okay, this is the question for you. So in triangle BCA and triangle BAT, in triangle BCA and triangle BTA, okay, BCA and PTA, it's 90 degree it is given. AC equal to AT it is given. Am I right or wrong? That is, angle BAC equal to angle BAT equal to 90 degree each. Then AC equal to AT it is given. Am I right or wrong here? AC equal to AT. Okay. And then after that, many parts were given, right? All the 6 parts were given. Okay, fine. So AC equal to AT. Then gonna, after that AC equal to AT. AB common we can say. See? AB equal to AB common we can say. So if you are considering these three parts we can say that by SAS. But we can say that by SAS congruence rule, triangle, by SAS congruence rule, triangle, what it is given for you have to say the BCA. So triangle BCA is congruent to triangle, whereas BCA is congruent to triangle BTA. Are you getting here? Triangle BCA is congruent to triangle BTA. Am I right? Yes. Shall we move to the next part? In the same question, the second part it is given, that is it is Q, it is P, it is R, then it is T, then it is S. Okay. Angle T equal to angle Q it is given. Then PQ is equal to, and then after that angle P which is equal to angle R. Okay. Then Q is equal to RS, and then PQ equal to TQ. PQ equal to TQ. Okay. Now triangle QRS. Triangle QRS is equal to triangle what? Okay. So in triangle QRS, another one we don't know the name of the triangle, right? Okay, leave it. So angle Q is equal to angle T. Am I right? In these two triangles, angle Q equal to angle T. Therefore, Q corresponds to T. Q corresponds to T. Am I right here? Yes. And then after that, angle R should be equal to angle P. That is, angle R corresponds to angle P. Are you getting here? Yes. After that, what we can say, RS equal to PQ. RS equal to PQ. RS equal to PQ, because QR equal to RS equal to QT equal to PQ. It is given, all the four sides are equal. What are the four sides? PQ, QT, QS and RS. Are you getting here? Yes. Here it is given, so therefore we can conclude that RS equal to PQ. Therefore by AAS, what can you say that? AAS, by AAS congruence criteria, by AAS congruence rule, otherwise triangle, which triangle kana? QRS. Under the correspondence of what? Under the correspondence of, yes, QRS. So triangle QRS is congruent to triangle TPQ. Triangle QRS is congruent to triangle what? TPQ. Are you getting here? Yes. So we completed 3 questions today, that is question number 4, 5 and 6, and then tomorrow we can able to complete this chapter. So today we are having live class, Google live class meet tomorrow, so we can able to complete question number 7, 8, 9 and 10. Are you getting here? Yes. Thank you everybody. Thank you.